Bien que beaucoup de gens assimilent la danse tahitienne à la danse hawaïenne, ces deux disciplines sont en réalité bien distinctes.
You know, when I first arrived here, no one knew what this was, and I worked hard to change that vision to help people understand what it was. You know, we've been running around London and the UK trying to show people, educate people, and entertain people so that we could make it more accessible for people who don't know what it is. But yeah, I think it's really important that the world starts recognizing that all these styles of dance are not just, you know, pretty women doing sexy things or something like that. So I think it's really important as the world becomes more interested in Ori Tahiti. I mean, Tahiti's on top of it. You know, the history, culture, meaning around it remains intact, and that it not just become commercialized and essentially bastardized for the sake of someone's pocket.